Thanks for stopping by. Take a break and enjoy the video because I'm not allowed to take a break.
YouTube. This is crazy. Yo, when I tell you it is really no breaks, it's no breaks, YouTube. You see that? See this? Yo, it's no breaks, YouTube. YouTube, it's been no breaks. YouTube, it's been no breaks. Like, comment, subscribe. YouTube. We are here, YouTube. We're here. We're doing another review. I keep trying to tell people I'm doing different reviews. I'm not just doing one review on just Supreme or on Jordans or on whatever you think I've been doing it on. Whatever. I'm doing reviews and whatever. Oh no. You wanna do a review on a handy snack? I could do a review on a handy snack. Stop playing with me. Yeah, it's called handy snack. I wanna make sure I wasn't messing up. And it's my tea right here. I don't play no games. It's my tea. Hold on, people. It's a little hot. We're gonna put it to the side. What we do to do. YouTube, we're here. YouTube, we're not about the tea. We're not about the handy snack. We're about the Eufy. We're about the Eufy. I'm about to unbox this. I need to unbox this because I need to also what I need for this also too. What I had to purchase today. Didn't want to do it, but I had to purchase this today. So I got this. You'll see what this is about soon. But anyway, YouTube. So here we're here. My YouTubers were here. My YouTubers, we are here. My YouTubers, we are here. We are here. I thank you. I thank you for everything you guys have been doing for me. I thank you. Hold on. Because I don't like how I am right now. Let's try to give me a little bit more. A little bit more. All right. All right. That is way better. Oh my goodness. So we got the Eufy. This right here, let me tell you guys right now. No, I may not spend big as some of you have commented and probably some of you have probably know already. I don't spend big when it comes to Supreme. But what I am going to spend big on is my home security. So this is my home security set. This is $340 something right now going for right here. But if, on Black Friday, you could have got it for, I believe, after tax, $300. I need to open this because I need to get the charger so that I can, I need to get the battery so I can charge it. Because this is going to get set up. See, guys, this is the Eufy. So I'm going to unbox it for you guys. After tax, about $370, let's say. Whatever, but, yeah, for a deadbolt. But this is has a camera, fingerprint reader, and it also has the keypad. And it comes with its own personal chime. So I don't want to buy the chime. See that person with the finger right there doing what they do? See the keypad? And this is also a built-in doorbell. Built-in doorbell right there. So this is going to be part one of maybe two, part one of three. I don't know. But I'm about to unbox this this might as well call it $400 item. Know what I mean? And this is what I do. We all, once again, I always state we spend our money different. So I wanted to spend our money on this. People can say what they want to say. You know? That's how it goes sometimes. We all got choices to make in life. This is a choice I made. I'm trying to get it done. It doesn't want me to open it for some reason. Eufy doesn't want me to open Eufy. I don't know what's going on here, guys. You know, you guys are my family. Got a lot of people, they edit out all of this stuff and they do what they do. I'm not doing that. All right, here we go. There we go. I need to get to the battery. But I also want you guys to see what's going on. I want you guys to see what I spend my money on. Yeah, I'm broke. Ha ha he he. See, that's the joke now. That is the joke. That is the joke. Let's laugh out loud together, people. I want to laugh out loud. I want to laugh out loud. I want to know what you're doing. I love my home, so I want to spend money on my home. So we have right here. Once again, I'm doing this because I need to get to the battery so I can charge the battery. On YouTube, it says it needs 6 hours to charge. So before I get to do the proceeds. Oh, see, this is the back of it. This is exactly how they showed it on YouTube. Joint is heavy. Oh my goodness. It's very heavy. This right here. It's the Eufy. Oh my goodness. This joint is nice. I like this. But I need that battery. They said, oh, when you pull this up, see, this will be obviously on the back of the inside of my house. This part right here will be inside of my house. So they said when you lift this up, so produce. Oh, there's no battery in here. Okay. Well, let's see where the battery's at, people. The battery has to be, I'm assuming, somewhere in here. This one is heavy. Jeez. Oh. Battery's right there. So this is the main thing what we need. Is this battery. It's all the special wiring. Real simple to connect, plug and connect, call it a day. And you connect it to the app. But you guys will see all of that in the later part video. And but you guys see where the battery will go. It's crazy. And this is what I need. Because this right here has the USB-C port right here for me to charge it. That's what I need. That's what I came here for. That's what I need. And now I am basically done with this box. So you guys are gonna stay tuned, and because I have to let this charge for 6 hours. So yes, it will be a long wait, guys. I'm sorry. It's not me. It's Eufy. It's Eufy, all right? It's Eufy. Blame it on Eufy. So guys, stay tuned. See what's going on. Once again, we all do what we want to do with our money, right? We do sneakers, we do expensive clothing, and that's fine. We do stuff for our children, which that's even better. Because my son went to private school for, for like 7 years, 8 years, my son went to private school. So trust me, and my son did the piano lessons also. So we do what we want to do with our money wisely. And we do what we want to do, what we feel is right. So that's no problem. Oh, and get into this. So this, my door, my original door right now, it has the top and bottom key mechanism to put a key in. So now I don't need a key. So that's why I went and purchased this. $28 at Ace places, whatever, store. No, I mean, so whatever. So Supreme No Break should be good. You be great, and stay tuned because this part 1. I don't know if it's gonna be part 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s. I don't know. Hopefully my dad could get it done fast. I'm pretty sure he could because it's not that hard at all. Pause. You know what I mean? So I'm about to charge this and get back to you. You be good. You be great, and keep improving because you see what I'm doing. All right? And I love you guys. I definitely do. All right? So stay tuned.
So guys, I wasn't done yet. I'm so sorry. So this is the part 2. So this part right here, this goes on to the see this charm right here. This goes on the back of the charm. That's what I saw on YouTube. Not just now, but saw it on YouTube. See, so this will go into the back of here, into the back of here, call it a day. So yeah, that's that piece right there. And this is the charm for it. It's the Wi-Fi and also doorbell signal and everything. It's the charm. Little antenna joints right here. And the Eufy sign right there. What else? This is for the door hinge. As you can see, more screws right there. And it came with 2 keys. The keys are, you know, just in case type thing. And Eufy sticker, you already know, letting you know, don't mess with me. And that's the instruction booklet right there. Just want you guys to see that. Yeah, and here we are. The key could go right inside to this part right here. You'll see that later on though. But anyway, Supreme No Breaks. Stay tuned. We're not done yet. Sorry guys, forgot to tell you that, yeah, the battery, see? They're not playing when they say 6 hours. It's been about 3 hours now and I'm still on red. See that? I'm still on red, guys. Good thing about it is it takes the USB-C port, so any MacBook, iPad, or the new iPhone 15 charger will work with it perfectly. USB-C, or if them Android lovers, users, yeah, USB-C port. All right, people, so literally 5.5, 6 hours, we finally got full charge. But not getting installed today. I'm gonna do it tomorrow. It's been a busy day, hectic day, so I'm gonna get this installed tomorrow. But what you guys will see, it literally takes 5.5, damn near 6 hours. So we'll be back. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. YouTube. This is Supreme No Breaks. I want you guys to see how I enter my house with the new Eufy. It took me so many hours. So you see automatically how all that right there, that's the doorbell thing at the bottom. You press that for the doorbell and you see it's already scanning because it knows that somebody's there. The camera's there. Don't worry, I'll do another video so you guys can see the lights. I want you guys to see, and the fingerprint readers right there on the top. I just want you guys to see in the dark so you guys can see how the panel look. Want you to see how it lights up, see how that panel lights up. Just want you guys to see that. And now I'm gonna put my hand on the fingerprint reader part one time. And I can enter. Just want you guys to see that. YouTube Supreme No Breaks. Stay tuned. I have one more last video, a closing video for you guys. Peace. YouTube. You see we have the Eufy right here. YouTube. The Eufy's right here. And you see we have Supreme right here also. Let's see, you have the Eufy right here. You see this is the doorbell thing I told you guys about. Press that for the doorbell. The keypad, it's the camera. Catch everything that's going on. And that's the fingerprint reader, the sensor part right there. You guys see what's going on YouTube? See guys what's going on YouTube. This is where we at. Technology. This is the back of it right here, YouTube. See, so watch when I close the door now. Just watch. Door closed. See that? Automatically locks. We in there, YouTube. Gotta protect, that the Supreme. Gotta protect that Supreme, YouTube. Gotta protect the Supreme. Supreme No Breaks. I'm out of here. Don't worry. I'm gonna get all this fixed up soon. Don't worry. It's a work in progress. But you see what we got going on right here. We got the Eufy. Pay attention to this. Pay attention to this. Pay attention to this. The Eufy. Supreme No Breaks. I'm out of here. Peace. Love to all of y'all. YouTube. What's going on? I gotta make a quick move, YouTube, so I'm not gonna keep this too long. And you guys probably see previous videos from before with the Eufy. You already know Eufy review right here. You already know, no breaks. I'm doing different reviews for you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. YouTube. What's going on? I purchased this or whatever, thinking I was gonna use it. I still may use it for my door, not too sure yet. But you see the Eufy lock that's going on. You see what I'm doing. Now I mean, $400 after tax, $400. Know what I mean? But that's how we doing it, yo. So whenever you think I'm broke, there's no I ain't broke, yo. And there's no you can't broke into my house. You can't broke up into my house. You understand? You can't broke up in here. But anyway,
So YouTube, this been Supreme No Breaks. You be good, you be great, and better than what you was yesterday. You see what I'm doing. I'm being better than I was yesterday. I need you guys to do the same thing for me too. I'm out of here. Just want to do a little outro for you guys. You be good, be great, and told you better than what you was yesterday. That lock took me a long time because I had this stupid micro SD card in here that was messing up the bridge. It was messing the bridge up and everything. I had hell. My father helped me. Shout out to my pop on this one. He helped me out. Shout out to everyone for sticking to with me, believing in me. This is Supreme No Breaks. This is what we do. We give you guys no breaks. I give you guys no breaks. And I'm going to keep doing it. The handy dandy, it ain't around right now. It's tucked away, but you already know. The handy dandy, I ain't gonna even do it for you guys. But yo, Supreme No Breaks. I'm out of here. Peace. Got things to do. Peace. Enjoy your day. And be great.